one packs very seldom sell for us. Blech, can't speak. Very seldom sell for us, but pretty much right after I made that, these sold. What's up, guys? It's a Pittsburgh Picker, and we're going to do something, well, I guess we might do a weekly one of these. If you guys start getting bored with it, I'll cut it out, but I got some feedback, that people like the shipping videos, so we're going to ship out a few products that we sold probably in the last, 8 hours, I'd say. It's about 1 o'clock on Wednesday, and we're going to just ship out a few of the things that sold. I think the latest thing that sold, sold around 1 o'clock in the morning last night. So that's the latest thing that sold. So a little over 8 hours. But we're going to start here. This is something we picked up at a thrift store recently. It's Harry Potter and the Cursed Child. It's the special rehearsal script edition. This sold for, let's see, $6 plus shipping. So we're going to get the shipping label. This is going to go medium mail. We have these, they're poly mailers, but they have bubble wrap in them. And I just drop them in these. It's pretty simple shipping. So just do that. And then we're going to seal it up like so. And this will go medium mail. So with medium mail, you don't really have to get into the ounces too much. It's really just done by pounds. So this is 1 pound 9 ounces. So it's going to be a 2 pound rate with medium mail. And then we're going to print this label here. $3.33 to ship this guy out. So medium mail is always cheap, but it is a lot slower. So if your customer wants it in a hurry, medium mail is not the way to go. So then we just put that little guy on there. Add a couple stickers here, one here. And that's it. We're good to go. So there's that. Next thing that sold was this vintage University of Michigan shirt. If you saw my What Sold video a couple days ago, I addressed this as selling. We put them in these cellophane bags. They kind of protect it from any sort of, dust or anything that it might get while it's sitting around here. Also, when we ship it out, it's looks a little more professional than a Ziploc bag. If you guys don't have these, I think there's 100 of them or so for $10 on Amazon. They make it look a little more professional and also protect it from any weather if maybe the packaging were to get damaged. So the way we ship these out is we just drop them in a poly mailer. So just a regular old poly bag. They go in there like so. And then you seal it like that. We're going to drop it on the old scale here. And this is 8.7 ounces. So so we're looking at $4.25 to ship this. With all of our shirts, we do a flat $5 shipping. It makes it a little easier for the customer to figure out what they're going to spend, along with just making it easier for us in the long run. If it's going to Puerto Rico, or if it's going, clear across the country, it could get a little more expensive. I think it's still under that $5 marker going to California. So this one is going to New York, so it's a little cheaper, but $4.25. We're going to print the label for that. Computer's moving quickly today. There we go. So we do that, throw a couple stickers on there, like so. One up here. I always like to put one over the seam. That way when it arrives, they know that, the package has been sealed since it left here. So there's that. Let's see what we got here. All right, and this is kind of a funny one to me. You'll see in my video, What Sold, the Friday What Sold video, I was actually just saying that Most of our blank VHS tapes that sell are in the 5 to 6 pack range. The 3, 2, and 1 packs very seldom sell for us. Blech, can't speak. Very seldom sell for us, but pretty much right after I made that, these sold. These sold for right around $18 plus shipping or free shipping. So so how we're going to ship these out, we're going to use the priority flat rate envelope, the bubble mailer, and we're just going to put them in here. So anytime I do free shipping, I try to pick the lowest cost shipping, and this happens to be the lowest cost. With these, pretty much, you see the commercials all the time. If it fits, it ships, and it certainly does fit. So it's going to ship in that. So here we go. We'll print out this label. Weight doesn't really matter with these. It's got to be under, I think, like 70 pounds. But if it's under 70 pounds in this and safely ship it, you're an incredible person. So then with these, we do the same thing we do with any of our poly mailers. We throw this on there. There's normally a place right here for that to go. Throw a couple eBay stickers on it just for fun decoration, like so. And there you go. I'm not going to bore you with the second one, so I'm just going to do that real quick and probably cut it out of this video. So kind of wish it was live, then I could ask people if they wanted to see that, but I don't think you guys want to see that, so I'll be right back. Alright, and the last thing we're going to ship out today is this Hot Wheels Racing Oakland Athletics car, special edition. Nothing super valuable, but you know, it sold for $7.99 plus shipping. This is going to go first class, so this is just under 3 ounces. So this is going to go first class. So it's only going to be $3.03 to ship this guy out. And I think what we're going to do with this guy, nope, not going to fit in there. So what we're going to do with this guy is we're actually going to bubble wrap him. And just wrap this in bubble wrap. Sticker on there to hold it shut, and then we're going to put it in one of these paper bubble mailers. They're a little more rigid than the other ones, and that way it should protect it a little better. There's that. I'm going to put a little tape on this to make sure it stays closed, like that. All right. There we go. So now we're just over 3 ounces with the packing, so we're going to go 4 ounces. So $3 to ship this out. Going first class, so we're going to get that. Print the label. Right on there. Some stickers. On the back. There we go. Ready to go. Alright, and that's about it for this video. I hope you guys found it informative. I plan to do a few of these. I gotta get this camera angle right for them. It's just, I really think I should hang one up here somewhere, but there's a window in front of me, so I'm not sure how I'm going to do that quite yet, but I'm going to figure it out. So if you guys like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so, and when you do subscribe, hit the notification bell. That way you get notified every time I make a new video. And that's about it. So thanks so much for watching. Until next time, bye.